Alright, here's the first part I'm actually going to try and make that's an actual tool for the router, and it's going to be a vacuum hood. And so basically the router bit's going to be in the middle there, and it's going to be surrounded by that. So we're going to cut that hole into this box. So we'll go like that on the bottom side, and then we're going to cut these on the top, which is where the vacuum hose and the router bit is going to go through. So two different operations, and at the end I hope to have a useful vacuum box for my CNC machine. So there it is in Adobe Illustrator, and we're going to look at it next in HeeksCAD. Okay, so this is after we generated the toolpaths and HeeksCAD. This is running on my CNC machine. So I used the profile operation and selected those two circles, and the origin is right here. So I'm going to center on my machine. I'm going to align the tip when it's at 0 with there, so we know where it's at on the part. And then this is what it looks like loaded into Axis, the CNC controller. So it's going to cut circle, lift it up, move it, and cut the other circle. And then of course I have to do the other side of the box. But now we'll go downstairs and take a look at the machine. Alright, so there you see the whole machine with the piece loaded that we're going to cut out. We'll go over and take a closer look. Alright, so there is the tool at 0, and we have that lined up with the corner of the box. And so it's basically going to turn the router on and hit go. And I'll probably have to get in there and hold the box too, because I don't really have it clamped down too good. Just have a weight on it. Alright, so there she is, pretty much ready to go. I should note that this is not only the first part that the machine's making for itself, it's also the first time that I'm going to cut into some plastic. So let's hope this works out. I'm going to turn on the tool and hit go. Alright, boy, that was almost the first time I ever machined metal too. It got about as close as it could without actually touching it. And it came out, so I have to open it up to get the plastic out. So we have two holes, and see how they fit. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to do the other side, and then just hot glue some stuff together, and I got a vacuum hood. Alright, so I got it flipped over and zeroed, and I'm gonna turn it on and hit run. See what happens. Fits good. I got a hole for the router pretty much in the center, and a hole for the vacuum tube on the other side. And I'm going to glue it up, and then let's see what it looks like on the machine next. Alright, there it is, all mounted, ready to go. I think it came out great considering it's just a little plastic container that some screws and nuts came in. It was pretty much the best thing that I had to work with here that would fit the profile and the right size and allow air to pass through and stuff. A lot of designs I see for vacuum hoods, they end up putting the brush all the way around, and it's going to make a much weaker vacuum when you do that because you're having a much bigger volume to pull through. So this is just a nice little area right around. I have about, what, an inch going all the way around the router bit. So it should have a really good strong vacuum,